Okay, so let's get into it again. So have a look at this. Do you want to see how to get this look? Do this eye like that? I bet you do. Okay, well, I'm going to show you how in 4 simple, easy steps. Okay? With 4 simple, easy colors. Now, this is your nighttime colorful look. Okay? And yes, there is color. Can you see I have been digging into this to get this look? Now you're gonna love this. Okay, so we have got 4 colors in our quad palette. Now if you look behind there, you'll see 4 little holes. Now those holes you can poke, I usually poke a pen to pop any of them out and then put a different one in depending on what look I'm going for, because I've got over 50 of these. So what I do is I like to pop them into a quad, because usually I use anywhere between 1 and 4 colors. Sometimes I use more, but I normally like to stick between 1 and 4 for the most part. Okay, and so all you do, once you pop them out, you'll see it's magnetic, so they stick in there, they won't come out, and that's what we do. Okay, so, and you can get these quad palettes from my website, which I will link down below. So here we go. We've got 4 colors. We've got 1 shimmer, 1 metallic, and 2 mattes. I love my matte colors, I love my shimmer colors, but I tell you what, there are 3 of my very most favorite colors in this palette. The thing is, I've never used all 3 of them together before, so I actually loved doing this today. So this Optimistic, this is your I'm gone I was eating earlier. This is your metallic, kind of ivory shade. Then you've got Fervent. This is like your burgundy red, beautiful color. It's matte. And then you've got, oh my, I kind of use, I've gone through 2 of these. Or is it 3? I think I've gone through 3 of them. Maybe. Anyway, Lively. I tend to use her for over everything, with everything, under everything, as a transition color for just about everything. So here is my Lively. It's like a fiery apricot, terracotta-y type color. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And then you've got your, well, this is a matte as well. Then you've got your shimmer shade, which is bright gold, as you can see, and this one is called Alive. Woo-hoo. So we're gonna breathe some life into these eyes this evening. Now, as usual, the first thing we do is we have to start, ladies and gentlemen, with our primer. Now, look at that. See those creases? See those creases there? Ugh, awful. Okay, so I'm gonna just kind of smooth them out for now, but look at what's gonna happen. Once I put this primer on my eyelids, it is going to, I won't have any creases for the rest of the entire day. This eye primer is just the bomb. Quick tip, good tip is, some people don't realize that you can actually prime your eyebrows with it. You know, when you've got like those shiny eyebrows, because as well you just like the lids, you get oily lids, you can have oily eyebrows too. Well, if you just add some of this onto your brows before you put your brow products on, boom, you'll be good. Okay, let's get some in the corner. Okay, use this lovely eyeshadow primer for, well, it leaves your colours, your eyeshadow colours far more vibrant. Leaves them really vibrant, stops it from creasing, smudge proof, and it helps to glide easier, so your eyeshadows are a lot more blendable on your lid, and they last all day. It's so lightweight, you don't even feel it on your eyelids, and it just layers so well. It's good for all kinds of eye shapes, everything. Now, also something to remember. Let's get in and let me tell you what brushes that we're going to use this evening. Yes, the brush kind of just went in and just used the same brushes to do a couple of things. My two shimmer shades, I kind of just used the same brush, just wiped it off and used it because they're very similar colors. Okay, so first we are going to take our bright gold color, which is Alive, and we're just gonna wash her all over the lid. So there we go. Remember, we've already placed. Now, if you are new to eyeshadows, I would recommend that you set your eye primer, meaning that, see the way I'm washing this, patting this color onto the lid. What you can do is pretty simple. You can now take some setting powder, translucent setting powder, I would suggest. I'm gonna try and get it all the way up there, but still kind of, I love this brush because you can kind of blend while you're putting things, while you're getting it on there. Now, I don't like to put a thick layer above the crease, but it's nice. That shimmer is nice on there. Why? Because it's going to give those, it's going to be able to mix in with those matte colors and just give a nice lovely glow, a nice reflection, especially on a night out. Ooh, child, you are going to be glowing in the nightclub. Oh yes. Okay, so we're gonna go into our Lively, the orange, nice, awesome color. And what am I gonna use to pick that up? I have used our fluffy crease brush, and so I'm going in the crease, kind of just depositing some color. Okay, so you'll be like, oh my god, that is a lot. Okay, don't worry. See that? Okay, so now we blend. And blending is your friend. When in doubt, you blend it out, okay? Remember that, ladies and gentlemen. When in doubt, you blend it out. And all we're going to do is we're going to blend until we blend upwards towards the brow bone. So, small, very small, light circular motions up towards the brow bone. Now, we don't want to go so far up. Move on to Fervent now. That is our lovely, rich burgundy color. And I'm going to use our crease brush, just the crease brush, not the fluffy crease brush, the crease brush. And I'm just going to dig into it and placing it in the crease. tracing the color into the crease. And then we also want like a little V. Look at that already. And we are just going to keep on slight circular motions. Look at that. Did you see that? Shall I come closer? So you can see what I am doing. Blend this out. So what did I do? I got some more of that terracotta color and added it onto my blending brush. Now we're going in with the blending brush and we are going to blend that. Yummy. Okay, and there we go. What do you think? I like it. Yum, yum. Okay, I'm gonna come back with my eyes all mascaraed up and you can have a final look. Okay, so here we are, the finished look. All I've done, I've not done any eyeliner. All I've done is just put on my mascara, which is my awesome 4D mascara, and my lash primer, and here we have it. And then I added my beautiful Sizzling lipstick to the mix. Now I'm thinking I want to go glossy, so let's go glossy. Ooh. There we are. The finished going out look. Oh yeah, the fiery night out look. Woo! And gosh, I loving this look, and I hope you are too, because it's just made me feel like so try this look, let me know what you think, let me know how it makes you feel. Is it making you feel like dancing? Is it time to go out? Woohoo! This, believe you me, you get this look and you're going to want to go out. Okay, this isn't a stay at home kind of look. All right, do you hear me? I love you guys, and come back for more. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to put on your notifications, because then you'll know whenever I've come out with a new video. And share with your friends. Spread the word that a new girl is about town, and she is about to get the place shook up. Okay? All right then. See you later, guys. Bye.